Hey guys, it's Corinne and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice water for long, thick, healthy hair. So to start, I've used about 2 cups of white rice and I'm filling it in this bowl with just enough water to cover the rice for the first washout batch. And I'm rinsing it just for a few seconds, not too long. And as you see, as I'm rinsing, the water is becoming very milky, very white, which is fine for the first batch, just to ensure that it's clean. And then to dump it, I decided to use a strainer rather than just simply letting it go in the sink. I used this method just to ensure that the rice was separate from this first batch of water. And then I transferred it back into the same bowl. And I've decided to use this jar rather than a mason jar just because I felt that it held more of the rice and the water rather than a mason jar, but you know, any container works, but this was just my preference. I am then refilling the jar with fresh water, and I didn't fill it up all the way just because I have orange peels that I wanted to add into the water and I didn't want it to overflow. So with the orange peels, I decided to use this because rice water is known to have a funky zoo smell. So in order to enhance the smell, I added these orange peels. And I'm also adding this peppermint essential oil. And any oil works fine. You can use tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, lavender oil, but I decided to use peppermint just because I like the feeling that it leaves on my scalp. I then closed it very securely. And I did not open this jar for about 2 days, so I let it marinate. This is what the rice water looks like after I separated it. And then I transferred it into my spray bottle. And this is my hair prior to the 7 days. And this is my hair 7 days after. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.